In today's video, we're going to be talking about 5 reasons you should burn bay leaves before you go to sleep. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave, that way you'll never miss out on another bay leaf video. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I have uploaded a few bay leaf videos, and bay leaves are very high vibration. Burning a bay leaf is the energy that comes into your life with burning a bay leaf is very positive, very good energy, and it's insane the amount of stories I've heard from all of you guys of everything that you have manifested. So I will be coming out with a video of part 2 of bay leaf manifestations from all my subscribers, because the stories you guys share with me is insane. Not to mention the things that I've manifested with burning bay leaves. So one thing that I have been trying out lately is burning bay leaves before you go to sleep. Just because I did pull a card for myself. I do a lot of readings, tarot readings, and I do them for myself too. So I pulled a card for myself a few weeks ago, and the messages kept coming up of pay attention to your dreams. Now, when I did start to pay attention to my dreams, actually manifested a dream journal from Goddess Provision's monthly subscription box, which they gifted to me. So that was another sign for me from the universe. I felt like telling me to really pay attention to my dreams. And ever since then, I've been having very, very vivid, insane dreams. And I've been writing them down in my manifested dream journal, and I've been okay, sorry, I just went off camera and wiped off my lipstick. It was so dry and so disgusting. It just felt really nasty on my lips. So if I look a little weird, I just wiped it off. But yeah, I've been burning bay leaves before I go to sleep just to have protection through my dreams, because I feel like I've been healing a lot of things through my dreams, and I just want to be protected and cleansed when I wake up. And that's the reason that I got inspired to make this video, just because of the experience I've been having with my dreams lately. I wanted to share it with you guys of 5 reasons that you should burn bay leaves before you go to sleep. By the way, if you guys are interested in purchasing bay leaves from me, head over to my Etsy store. And they are charged with the energy of the full moon or the new moon. I always put my bay leaves under the moon phases so that they are charged with good energy. So bay leaves have been used for cooking for thousands of years, and it just adds a lot of good flavor to your food. But just not only that, it's also been used for spirituality, manifestation, protection, luxury, royalty. Bay leaves carry a very high vibration energy, not just today, but it like dates back to thousands of years ago. People would make crowns from bay leaves. People will heal with bay leaves. So bay leaves carry very intense and very powerful energy. So one reason that I want to share with you guys for burning bay leaves before you sleep is because when you burn the bay leaf, the smoke that it releases has a very, very calming effect. Now, I know, because I do readings a lot for a lot of you guys, for a lot of my clients, and a lot of you have trouble sleeping. It's very overactive energy in your mind right before you go to sleep, and it makes you go to sleep late, or you just can't even fall asleep, or even if you do fall asleep, you toss and turn, you wake up here and there, and you have insane dreams. So bay leaf burning right before you sleep helps to calm the stress and the anxiety that you have, so that you can sleep in a more peaceful way. Bay leaves have a very beneficial compounds that are released into the air when you burn them. It helps you calm down, it helps you relax, and it helps you sleep better. Second reason that you should burn a bay leaf before you go to sleep is detachment. This is something I've suffered with, a lot of you have suffered with, a lot of my tarot clients, and you guys know who you are, you guys have suffered with, is when you burn a bay leaf with your manifestation on it, and you can't let it go. You think about it constantly. You think about where it's gonna come from, when it's gonna come, why it's taking so long, if it's gonna come. And these are thoughts and energies that you're releasing out of yourself into the atmosphere that are going to create blocks. This is something I started to do to practice discernment and detachment, which, I mean, it's brilliant. To me, it's brilliant. Okay, so the reason that you want to burn a bay leaf right before you go to sleep, actually, let me rewind. You want to burn a bay leaf where you write your intention or your manifestation or your wish on the bay leaf and then burn it right before you go to sleep. So that way when you go to sleep, you're letting go. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're going to sleep. So you're not thinking about it, you're not worrying about it, you're not stressing about it, you're not fretting over it and obsessing over it. So you're just going to sleep and detaching and discerning yourself from your manifestation, your wish, your goal. For me, and I feel like for a lot of you guys out there too, it is the perfect way to detach from your manifestation so that you're not creating blocks. The third reason that I like to burn bay leaves right before I go to sleep is for prophetic dreams. Bay leaves connect you to the spiritual realm when you sleep. This is why it's very important that when you do burn a bay leaf right before you go to sleep, it's very important to pay attention to your dreams. Animals, sounds, music, quotes, places, colors, family members, ancestors, anything and everything that you see in your dreams is a message from your higher self, from your ancestors, from your spirit guides, from the universe. And when you burn a bay leaf, you are actually opening up that channel. You're actually opening yourself up to receive those messages. But another thing, this is one of the reasons to burn the bay leaf before you sleep, but I do want to give you a little teaser. Before you go to sleep and you do open yourself up to these channels and these energies and these guides, bay leaves also offer you protection. Another thing you could do is to write a question on your bay leaf and burn it so that when you do go to sleep, not only are you protected even while you're receiving these messages from guides, the universe, your spirit guides, your ancestors, but you're also protected. The fourth reason that you should burn bay leaves before you go to sleep is for protection. So for all of you that astral project, astral travel, lucid dreaming, nightmares, insomnia, burning bay leaves before you go to sleep will help protect your energy and your spirit. It's very good to burn these bay leaves when you go to sleep, just so that while your spirit and your soul is traveling to God knows where to do God knows what, you are protected and your soul is protected, your spirit is protected. And the fifth reason that you should burn a bay leaf before you go to sleep is to cleanse your energy of the day. Cleanse away the negative energies of the day. So we all, every single day, maybe we go to work, maybe we go to the grocery store, we run errands, we bump into people, like who knows what kind of energies we accumulate throughout the day. You know, a lot of energies are good and beautiful. A lot of energies are negative and draining. So these negative and draining energies we want to get rid of. You know, we don't want to carry those on to the next day. So it's very, very good to burn a bay leaf right before you go to sleep. Because when you go to sleep, you are tapping into your unconscious, your subconscious energy. So you want to make sure that you go there with a cleansed palette. Burning bay leaves right before you go to sleep helps to get rid of any negative energies or evil eyes that have been placed on you, that have latched on you, that are just lingering around you, maybe you have accumulated throughout the day. Burn a bay leaf before you go to sleep so that the next morning you wake up with cleansed, beautiful, new energy to start off your day. It's like a cleansed palette to start off your day. So these are 5 reasons to burn bay leaves right before you go to sleep. I've been loving doing this, and if you guys want a 5 reasons to burn bay leaves every morning, I've actually been burning bay leaves every single morning, and I've seen significant changes in my life too. So if you guys want that video, comment down below if you guys want that. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want bay leaves from me that are moon charged, then go ahead and head over to my Etsy shop and you guys can find them there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!